Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'll be opening a couple of YuGiOh Booster packs today. It is the Lightning Overdrive first edition packs, so let's get into it and see what we get. Alright, so I haven't been able to find a whole lot of Pokemon lately. Found a couple of packs at Walgreens, so I will be opening those up. I have two more of them. Let's get Starry Night Seal, DDD Super Sight King Zero Maxwell, Amazement Special Show, Onekuri Way, Warrock Wento. It's a really cool little holo there. Pharaonic Guardian Sphinx, Dogmatic Alamity, Yamorimori. There we go. Alright, got one more of these fellas. I do have another pack that I will be doing a Yu-Gi-Oh short with. So, get into that. These each come with 9 cards and 1 foil. AI Meet You, Amazement Special Show, Scrap Raptor, Warrock Generations, Garden Rose Flora. I already have that one. It's a pretty cool looking one though. Springin's Booty, Starmine. Well, that's a really cool looking card. Warrock Mahmood, and a Clock Arc. So, a couple of really cool cards in here. Thank y'all for watching. Alright, thank y'all for watching so much. Hit that like and subscribe button. Our goal every day is 1+ subscribers, so as many of you that hit the subscribe button get us that much closer to our goal of, I think my daughters want 1 million. Let's shoot for 100 right now and go from there. But every single one of you that hits that subscribe button gets us that much closer. Thank y'all so much. Have a wonderful day.